On today's episode of Unboxing Time, I'm going into two uncharted territories of Gundam. One that I've never watched IBO, and secondly, this is my first full mechanic kit, so let's get to it. Iron Blood Orphan is an interesting anime series for Gundam. It happens way after everything's took place, so this is definitely not part of the Universal Century timeline. And with that being said, their mechanic designs are rather interesting. It all features a very exposed exoskeleton frame, with bits and pieces of armor clad on top of it. Upon purchasing this kit, I have very little idea of what full mechanic kits entail. I mainly got this for a resin conversion kit that I'll be building. But from a glance of the box art, it seems like I have pretty decent articulations and a good amount of gimmicks. This version of the full mechanics Barbatos Lupus Rex does not really have a lot of accessories. It has a big sword and a detachable tail fin that can be posed by a cable. Now let's take a look inside. Upon opening the box, you see a very colorful runner that attracts your eyes. It consists of the yellow parts for the antenna, red parts for base of the legs and the chest crest, blue parts from the shoulder, and a little bit of gray parts for the feet. Also in the bags is the foil stickers, which, as we all know, they are not the most fantastic things. The next bag consists of two of the gunmetal color runners, and as you imagine, they're mostly frame parts. Underneath it is a big bag of two white runners. They're of course the exterior armors of Barbatos Rex, but also in the bag is a rigid cable. That's how you can articulate poses for the detachable tail fin. Next bag returns to two runners of the gunmetal gray. And very apparently, these are parts for the big sword. Up next is a small bag consists of a few runners. The tiny little green runner is for the lenses of the eye. Also included in this bag is the very important polycaps. We all love some polycaps, don't we? And the Lupus Rex only consists of a tiny bit of black parts, which is also in this bag. Next bag consists of two medium-sized gunmetal runners. This runner also consists of the Lupus Rex hands, which are much bigger than I thought. The other runner in the bags consists of the remainder of the frame components. And at the very end, you can always find the assembly manual. This is a fairly recent kit, so you can certainly expect English in the assembly manual. Before editing this video, I've actually finished putting the kit together, and from my experience, the full mechanical line is very much like a high-grade kit, except this in 1/100 scale. As my first full mechanic kits, I can't really compare this to the rest of the line. But just because of the unique design of the Barbatos, the frame articulation is actually fairly interesting. However, when it comes to detail of the exterior armor, it's just exactly what you expect from a high-grade kit instead of a master grade. So this might be perfect for someone who is transitioning from their 1/44 scale high-grade building experience. However, they don't really want to commit to all the master grade detail just yet. I will actually even recommend this to beginner builder, just because of the 1/100 scale bigger parts comparing to the 1/44 scales. And this might also be a good opportunity for someone who want to try weathering or actually painting a kit with airbrushes. As far as more advanced builders, I don't think I would really recommend the full mechanic lines unless you're using this for diorama or like my purposes using it as a core of a resin conversion. If you're interested in taking a look of the Ryujimaru Barbatos resin conversion kit, stick around for the next video. We're gonna unbox it and take a look of the quality of the GK conversion kit. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to click the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing more unboxing videos. For those of you who have experience with other full mechanics kits, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be interested in see how you think about this line. Until the next video, happy building, and I'll see you next time.